one, I made it into Home Depot. So I have pre-lit trees, $50. This one's gonna be a 30-inch. Ooh, I kind of like this because, you know, it's giving me that old-fashioned vibe. I like that.
A wreath of poinsettias. That's really pretty.
And the bow, $49.98, so 50. It does have pine cones and it will light up. Now this one has a ribbon all over it. Same price, $50. There we go.
It's
And
pretty.
is that garland? Oh yeah, that's 50 as well. It comes in silver too.
Ooh, we need new garland. That would be great.
And then $40. I do like that. That's a really nice one.
Go good right above our fireplace.
Let's see, Christmas train set, 30. So I feel like my Home Depot right now has a lot of trees. Like everything is like a tree, lawn decor. You have Minion, Nutcracker, Angel, Snowman, and a lot of lights right now. $12.98. Happy holidays. The doggy one too. Oh, look at that Santa for $29.98. That's a bear and sack of toys and Santa in the woods.
His head looks weird.
Yeah, I feel like his head is a little tiny, right? To me it does. And nativity scene will be $80. You know, I have one of these like blow mold and nativity scenes, pretty old, and somebody stole our Jesus one year. I was like, come on. So now I found it.
Yeah, the mom returned them, and she said that she looked in her garage, and like the whole neighborhood's collection of baby Jesuses were all stacked up in her garage, so she started returning them to everybody.
This one, oh, that's kind of cool. $29.98. So yeah, so now I have to zip tie it down. How sad, right?
I know, her kids stole it.
And $40 for the Nutcracker.
Glad we got it back, but still, it sucks.
Look at this rocking horse for $100. And that Santa is $200. 5 feet tall. It's a LED Santa. Oh, you know what? He's on top. Let me scoot back.
Oh, wow. And you can see that. I like that reindeer, too.
Oh, yeah. That's kind of cool.
They didn't put the antlers in it, though.
It's a train for $49.98. Try me. Okay. Is that the button? Oh, I don't know. Something try me. I can't press it. But it might make noise and steam. Maybe this one's going to troll around. Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh, it lights up. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's that one. It's kind of cool. And the presents is $250 on top.
Oh, he's got antlers.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, here's that one that was up there. I guess it doesn't have antlers. Okay, but that one does. I like that one.
Oh gosh, $49.98. Look at Ralphie. There's reindeers eating ice cream for $50. And the penguin.
That looks like Chili Willy.
This one?
Yeah.
And then $35 over here. The Santa. And then the weenie dog. Oh, look at that elf and milk. That's $100. We have the Grinch for $130. 7 foot. It's a beaver. You want the beaver in your yard?
That's awesome. Beaver.
And look, oh gosh, the Millennium Falcon
Millennium Falcon.
for $180. And then little gingerbread arch. Huh?
Did you just say Millennium something?
No, I said Falcon.
Oh.
And $130 for Mickey and Minnie, of course. And on top, those are $30.
Look at the. You know, I don't know what the obsession with Peppa Pig is.
It's still huge, huh?
Yeah, it's really weird.
And my daughter used to watch that. These are 20 for 3.5 foot.
I don't think they make new ones, do they?
Peppa Pig, I think it's big in the UK, right?
It came from Canada, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, it means it would be big in the UK. Okay, yeah.
$24.98. And look at these. These are kind of cool. I like that Santa. These are nice. They're shatter resistant. Let me see one of these angels. They're $20. Grab one down.
Oh, really?
I know the ones in Hobby Lobby, you know, their wings flap, if you remember that. There's this
There's no
one.
try me button on them.
Oh, look at the bear with the tutu. $25. 20 inch, that's 20. And the candy canes are 13. And these are 20. 12.98 here for 300. You know what? I need to go through my lights. You know how normally you don't know if you need new Christmas lights until you get everything down? But look how pretty, you guys. I want a flock tree.
Yes.
I want a flock tree this year. I think we're going to do it. Can we do it?
That's pretty.
I think it really is pretty. Normally I'm not a fan because they weren't done right, you know, well in the store. But
Really nice.
these are really nice. I'm impressed.
And you know, they're not very plasticky like the other ones that I usually feel like it's just made of like that Beetlejuice grass.
Mhm.
You know, that weird looking plastic stuff.
I like it.
This
I
is
want to
really
do one.
pretty.
I want to do one. These are just going to be everything lights here, you guys. And all the inflatables are on top. Not much of a decor compared to Lowe's right now. So, you know, in Lowe's, they have more Christmas decor. Oh, look, there's the beaver.
Oh, wow, he's huge.
He is huge.
He's furry though. Would he get ruined?
I don't know. Look at, there's a Sven, right?
Yeah.
Sven.
I kind of want the beaver.
But look, and these, you know, they always bring this stuff out, the fun stuff. We'll go ahead and check them out while we're here. Because why not? Okay, we have Santa, my man. Oh man, they're so hard to press. That might not work. Olaf is gonna spin around. Go, Olaf, go. And let's see, this one is 18. And Santa.
Is it Santa or Charlie Daniels? I think his hat needs to be down like this.
Right? Look at the minion. He looks kind of funny. This is Bob. And let's see, the elf. That's kind of cool.
Too bad his cheeks don't move like our bear.
Or blow up, yeah, and turn red. He's cool. I like that one. Here's Santa. He's gonna play the guitar.
Okay, does this just look like ZZ Top to you?
Yeah. And we got the Grinch. Okay, so he's gonna ride his bike, obviously. My favorite would have to be the Freddie Mercury one. I did buy the ghost one. Oh,
I thought that was the Grinch's dog, but it's not.
oh, it's not.
They have Cousin Eddie's trailer finally for Christmas.
Oh gosh, does it do anything? Oh, is it gonna spin around?
Yeah, so I can figure out how to turn it on.
I don't know. There has to be a button around, like in the front or something. I don't see anything, but it looks like this might spin around. Okay, here's
I'll figure it out.
Baby Grinch. I don't know. It kind of looks like a water drop. Do you guys remember that mascot in school, like the water safety guy, like the water drop? Let's see. Of course, Disney. He's gonna do the same thing. He's just gonna shuffle back and forth. Look at, here's the National Lampoon's, their car. Try Me, but we can't find a button for it. It's somewhere up in here. Oh, here it is on the side. Okay.
Oh, Place Holiday Road.
Oh, I thought it was spin.
I never understood why they had the family truckster on Christmas Vacation stuff since it was only in the first movie.
Is this one? Oh, there's Eddie's.
And it says Griswold on the back.
Wow! Who's driving his kids? Okay, check out this Santa.
It was the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas would soon be there.
I don't like his eyes.
A little creepy.
Kind of hollow and creepy. You know.
I see.
Was the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a
Yeah, I don't
mouse.
like how the eyes are moving like that.
Hung by the chimney with care.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Just gonna dance back and forth.
I just want to see one that says "Oh Fudge."
Oh fudge. You know what? I watched that movie when they put it on for 24 hours. I don't get to watch all of it. I watch it in parts.
I haven't seen one whole playthrough of that movie ever. And we'll leave it on there.
Oh, Woodstock.
Of course, I'd rather watch Christmas Vacation anyway.
And these are like all gonna move too. Oh gosh, this might be it, you guys, for my Home Depot Christmas decor. A lot of trees, a lot of lights. That's all I'm seeing right now. And the funny plushies. They do have this really, really tall nutcracker. He's gonna play music for 250. Ooh, look at his eyes.
Oh wow, that's like the Skeletons of Spirit this year.
That's kind of cool. He's like really super tall and skinny. And Santa, I believe he talks. He's like 180.
Looking forward to this time all year. There are so many good boys and girls this year. I will have a busy night filling all those stockings. Santa Claus right down Santa Claus Lane.
Okay, he's gonna sing. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.